Carla Rowe Deering Council na home Catapwig foul Dinta Alwan Kerry. Níomh McAvoy fechan chun cín I dro a Hearn inis Seachúin Healy Irish Healy Dinamistach ar baide Curshin Council Trasna Dinta go glóit ar fadig Nicole Owens Bhíosta Grab Katie Hannon sa bhaide Takai amach agus leis an lapa Harish Hannon.
Yeah, Vince Pearson glóte Sinead a Herna son goí Noel Healy agus a chestnut son goí Nicole Owens sin ginnig hat gan readily road Tolchi Chastelin Tana agus stock William Coulson the tacht agus in Jacob Noma Tossel some way in the fortne agus in Chitangwala in the Velaki.
Well, Tristan Hadeshan are void as I say fight Roshin Tobin agus Batoon he leaned out the necher fashion. Idir Ciara Trant agus is time in Chiecht and Council. A chur Traslan Void agus well, ní féidir sin íanamh.
Yeah, Botúna tunach anna Ciach ar fadig a Roisin Tobin tun.
Carla Rowe Trowley fechan chun cín Hakuna Vice ar hefna láva Desha Seachúin Molly Lamb Harnasha Dro Rowe a fechan chun cín Sinead a Hearn Sinead a Hearn Báitas an angach Bhí McAvoy na tauntach ní raibh siad tastáil Captain Átha Cliath scór eilike.
Yeah, cad is féidir rá héan an scór ála gan bhansa in Jogfavus cadé mar husbánt sa tucaí sár Ciach nó tuna cinníoh sé seansar go báideach na dó. Baile Cliath gimmartid ása fada inis ó cheann na Páirc ar gúmpórt agus mar éanad tá siad chafabheith tóca leis an stílinn brathacha.
Nicole Owens Lickna him Nicole, many congratulations. Objective achieved, you're through to an All-Ireland semi-final.
Yeah, we're delighted. This is just the third step on the road to the Ireland final, so it's another match. Waterford were serious opposition. We watched them play against Kerry. They're probably a game they maybe should have come away with the win. So yeah, we're delighted.
It was a terrific individual display from yourself, 1-4, but if you weren't offensively working, you were back in defence. I mean, the key today was defence work by Dublin.
Oh, it was brilliant. The backs were brilliant. It's something that we're really focused on this year. We have an unbelievable so as a rostrum of backs. The competition back there is brilliant. And we have, for example, we're missing Sinead Goldrick today, but Átha Cliath stepped up and filled in. So yeah, it was a great display.
7-point cushion at half time. So what was said in the dressing room? What was the message going into the second half?
To keep it up and keep our heads and keep doing what we practiced. We very, very strict targets to hit, and no matter whether we're 7 points up or we're 7 points down, those are still the targets we're going after.
Can I ask you what those strict targets are?
I think it's the usual, is tackle count, shot accuracy, and I'm not going to give them all away, but
along that vein, but anyway, you are Lickna him Cogar just lat Nicole Augusta Marie Hickey Uachtaran come and Peil Gael the man on Shaw Conan Gradam of Ronu Orhi.
Kelly Bús Cartike Simún go bhfuil Louise Verta glúiseachta amach an nádernach Mála bíle hédí Sarah Hole na bhí man glúiseachta ach an trúr sa lína lán tasig a cóibrú an tógánach chuna chríoch nó glúiseachta an sco tá sí seo take iníar dúig ar an gléir.
Ínta ceir fad a rís ó Ciarraí bugan siad an líród cótapí síos na Pórca líród ínta isteach agus a rís ní a bhéine santach caiisi timpeall ar an cúlbára agus leis an gitóg an orseo díreach tar éis an lína sin a thuirst Kelly Mallon ag an tódala.
Agus déine hir ón gicamach ceann eile buirte ag Ard Mhacha agus an trasa macin imimeóid idirnáisiúnta sacr ní on siad bhatúna tá.
Sin é caiisi ar an gitóg agus díreach níor seansar bit ag Fitzgerald leis an gceann sin. A rís an kick amach sin in a cruthú faiban at a Ciarraí agus a rís Ard Mhacha tar éis sé bhóchad.
Ní le ceann buirte ag Ciarraí ón a Mairdor Hénig agus a chuid macin isteach mar lá tá sí tá chléach ná omlá tachar chóirsaí don chret amach ó.
Íntaach ar fad omthóir a chuil na bliana hena féin. Bhí seansan ó go ag níos luútha an a líród is siag an sin ó Caroline O'Hanlon. Tógan Amy sreac éach an doháin agus a rís ní ar seans ar bit ag an grúlbar a glóte ar fad. Cord bhac ar an sí rís.
Se díreach agus ruthar maithan sana sige Átha McCoy. Láithín Mackin steach a rís agus tá annachit spáisian tóca go dtíad ar brapaga Mackin. Well, déach sí cheadach chula bheith féitice ach tá Laura Fitzgerald treis chá ábhaid na scoianamh.
Tá cínte an a líród is teach an sin agus déanaan Mackin ítach chun casa ach a rís Fitzgerald le sábháil ítach Bhí mar rán nach raibh na kickan amach ro crí nach tá si tríéis gán ó trí sábháil iontacha dhéanamh agus Ciarraí chumad in san gléise seo.
Tá go déine agus Louise ní bhirte a fánaíocht inis puitisteach tapig ó Donoghue tóiste go maithace agus a ríist únpuintí chó tapig a bhensa Rogers clíhánach le ní bhirte ón dheile deis ar a getóg steach a lár slí ana Galvin ach tá tranglam Cartrí bamach ach tá sé nedathe ní mór an slí hín sanna cé agus tá siad córam a gé Coulson eile Galvin.
Cool ionach an sin ó Galvin bhí mé cheap a go raibh an raibh cheart déanta ag mar thuirtaigh mar bhí an méid sin imróí th timpplairthaí a chas si díreach an taobhas tí agus ní raibh seans dá leiad ag meallan in san cúl díreach is seach an san cúne.
Seans go méid díomán nach fuilid beidir a cúpla puint eile chun tosaigh. Mar sin abátas a Peil tá séide beisi le Ard Mhacha sa leiseach láthirach ana Galvin a ríist imón roithir agus Caroline O'Hanlon a ddíra gan kick-séir a bhela ach beidir go fearr kick-séir ná cúla chéile agus go dain féin Louise ní bhaithirte. Well, bhí de begáinín Tom Oilton san le Anna Galvin a gháil trítheisteach agus beidir sé cat le teachtas luathe.
Sin é go díreach an rud cean chéine ag George Robbie agus é ag taspáinte ag lethama chamáin si díreach an tosaigh an sin ní a bhéine siar le Louise nuair a thuirtaigh rinne si an rud ceart cos si ar clé agus díreach is deach an sa líntán.
Hannah O'Donoghue Lake Nehemra. Hannah Cogardas lad, many congratulations. Hannah, this is your first time I think starting in a senior championship game for Kerry. You're 16 years of age and you scored 1-4 ending up with player of the match today. So describe to me first of all playing, what it was like to play out there today.
Well, I really enjoyed it. Like the ball in was great, so that kind of helped. And I suppose once I got it then I was just enjoying myself, so I said I'd run after him if I could. Try and put it over then I suppose.
I mean, you got to go off to a great start. You were the person on the scoreboard, like 1-3, I think. So there's no sign of nerves, no nothing coming into today's game at all.
Well, I suppose I was a bit nervous, like, but nerves, I suppose, are good in the end, like, because they kind of, I suppose, they start you off, and once I got going, then I was fine.
And then, of course, every team has their purple patch. Armagh came back at you there. What do you think happened at that stage? Why did they come back and score 2-2 within 4 minutes period?
Well, I think Amy Mackin got 2 unbelievable goals. Like I was looking at them there; they were very nice. Like, and I suppose she just put us under so much pressure. Like, and at least we came back then. We defended well in the second half, and I think they only got 2 points then. So we really defended well then when we needed to.
And was that the message at half-time? Up the work rate, up the intensity, up the defensive effort from everybody?
Yeah, I just think we needed to be a bit tighter at the back and I suppose get the ball forward, and things worked out well anyway, so we were happy.
Now you're through to an All-Ireland semi-final. You're going to meet Dublin, so looking forward to that, I'm sure. What are your thoughts on that?
I don't know, I suppose we were concentrating on today, so we haven't really looked forward to the next game, so we'll do that now and we'll concentrate for the next game.
Okay, but before I let you go, I've been told in my ear here now that we have your goal, so we'll have a look at your goal now. You can talk us through what was going through your head when you were getting this.
I don't know, I suppose it was kind of handed to me. I just had to roll it in.
Well, you rolled it in very well, and you, of course, are Lake Nehemra. You're through to the All-Ireland semi-final where you'll meet Dublin in 2 weeks' time. And Cogardas that Hannah Reach agus to Marie Hickey, Uachtar an Common Peil Gael na Man an Shaw, Conan Gradam of Roinnt.